Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today we're going to take a look at our 12th gen Intel Core i5 and i7 industrial rugged tablets, the RT1211 series. Let's take a look. The RT1211 series is powered by either a 12th gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. There are two 11.6-inch models, the RT1211A, which is the i5, and the RT1211B, which is the i7. And both come with 10 cores and 10 threads each. It has Intel Iris Xe graphics. There are dual lithium hot-swappable batteries, an internal storage of 256 gigabytes SSD. It comes standard with Windows 11 and also has Linux OS options. It's designed to withstand the harshest environments, being MIL standard 810H certified for drop and vibration, and it's also IP66 rated. It's built with a sunlight readable 1000 nit high brightness Gorilla Glass projective LCD capacitive touchscreen that's 1920 by 1080 resolution. It's supported by stylus, glove, and wet touch modes. It has sensors that include a G sensor, light sensor, and gyroscope. There's a front fixed focus camera with optional Windows Hello and a rear autofocus camera. It has Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth version 5.3. It has cellular capabilities that's been tested with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. It has GNSS, including GPS, GLONASS, and BEDO. It has a Zebra barcode reader that supports 1D and 2D barcodes and has an optional UHF RFID. And it has an operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to be unboxing the RT1211A. This is the Intel Core i5. So when you first receive your rugged tablet, this is the box that it will come in. So let's remove the cover. First thing you'll see inside is the Maple Systems warranty. The rugged tablets come with a 1-year warranty, but you have options to purchase an extended warranty. Then underneath that is the RT1211A, and it's wrapped in anti-static plastic. Let's remove it from the plastic. And here's the tablet. Put that aside. Underneath the tablet, in another Ziploc bag, is the hand strap with screws. Then in another white box is the USB-C adapter along with the power cord. And that's also wrapped in plastic. Here is the hand strap attached to the tablet. You can also purchase additional accessories. Here is a dual bay battery charger kit, which is a dual bay charger, power adapter, and a 3-foot USB-C cable. You can also get a office dock / charging station, which is a power adapter, and a 3-foot USB Type-C cable. Then there's also a vehicle docking station, mounting arm, and cigarette lighter powered in-vehicle charger. And you can also get the same kit and just swap out the cigarette lighter charger for a vehicle bare wire charger. Now let's take a look at the I/O. Starting on the top, there is a barcode reader, a Kensington lock, and the heat dissipation vent. On the side, there is a USB-A 3.0 port and an RJ45 port. And on the other side, there is a USB-C charging port, a mini HDMI port, a headphone jack, and a USB-A 3.0 port. On the bottom, there is a 12-pin docking connector. On the back, there is a fingerprint scanner, an optional RFID card reader, a rear-facing camera, 4 screws for the hand strap, and dual hot-swappable removable batteries. And underneath one of the batteries is the SIM card / SD card shared slot. Also under the battery is the model name and build number, and you'll need the build number to reorder your rugged tablet. This is also where the non-embedded Windows license or the embedded Windows license will be located. A non-embedded Windows license means that when you receive the unit, you will need to scratch off the code right here and activate Windows yourself, or you can get an embedded Windows license, meaning that Windows is activated for you right here at Maple Systems. So when you receive the unit, it'll essentially be plug and play. On the front of the tablet are the volume buttons, power button, Windows button, programmable function keys, dual speakers, and the front-facing camera. Now I'm going to turn on the tablet, so you want to push the power button in the front, and you'll see the green LED light on the tablet light up, and the tablet has booted up. I'm going to enter a password, and I need to enter a password because I'm setting up Windows Hello options. In order to do that, I need to have a password. And now I'm going to go to my Windows Hello settings, go to sign in options, and here is where you will set up your Windows Hello settings. You can either do facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, and you can also do a PIN. For this example, I'm going to use fingerprint. Click Setup, click Get Started. And on the back of the unit, there is a fingerprint sensor, so I'll need to place my index finger on the fingerprint. And once you set up your fingerprint, you'll need to set up a PIN, and you'll need to verify your account password first. And then I'm going to set up my Windows Hello PIN, and then confirm the PIN. And that is how you would set up Windows Hello on your RT1211 series. And now I'm going to demonstrate how well the capacitive touch works with a pair of gloves. So I'm on the Maple Systems website using Microsoft Edge, and you can just scroll through and select some of the products. You can see how well the capacitive touch works with a pair of gloves. You can also zoom in if you need to, and zoom back out. And that is our 12th gen Intel Core i5 and i7 industrial rugged tablets, the RT1211 series. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial rugged tablets, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.